Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a Revolut QR code. Let's get started. Open your Revolut app and tap on the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the plus icon in the top right corner and tap on it. You'll see several options. Select the QR code icon from the menu. Point your phone's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the code is fully within the frame. The app will automatically recognize and process the QR code. Confirm the payment details and amount before completing the transaction. You can also access your own QR code by tapping My Code at the bottom of the scanner screen. This lets others scan your code to send you payments directly. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.